Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the second chapter, that is polynomials. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variable included have only non-negative integral power is called the polynomial. Means what? Here I am considering example. Here that given 9x minus 5x square y plus 3 by 8 xy plus 4. Here we are considering the power of the variables. The power of that x is 1, and here the variables are x square and y. Here the powers of the variables are 2 and 1. Similarly, here the power of x and y are 1 and 1. Means here that the powers of variables are in whole part only. That's why we can consider this given algebraic expression is an polynomial. And in second one, we are considering one more algebraic expression, that is 5 plus 8x power 3 by 2 plus 4x square. Here the power of variables we are considering x power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is not a whole part. That's why we can't consider this algebraic expression as polynomial. And next term we are I'm going to explain that same next term, that is coefficient. What is a coefficient of the given variables? Here again I am considering one algebraic expression. The coefficient of here first I would like to explain about the terms. How many terms are there in that algebraic expression? Here the plus and minus signs only separate the given only separate the terms. Means here 9x is a term, 5x square y is the another term, and 3 by 8 xy is third term, and last one this is also another term. Here the coefficient of 9 is x and the coefficient of x is 9. Now we are considering this term. What is the coefficient of x square? Remaining two numbers. These two are the means minus 5y is the coefficient of x square. But suppose we are asking the coefficient of x square y, then the coefficient of x square y is 5. Similarly, we will consider that remaining terms also. Here we are considering this term, that is 3 by 8 xy. What is the coefficient of xy? The coefficient of xy is 3 by 8. And the next term is degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable we can consider as the degree of the polynomial. I am taking some examples. For suppose in one variable algebraic expressions we will consider 2x plus 3. The power of x is here 1 only, then the degree of the algebraic expression is 1 only. And in second one, 3x power 4 minus 5x square plus 1. What is the highest power in the given polynomial? Here highest power is 4 only, then the degree is 4. In one variable we will consider, now we will consider that two variables polynomial. Here I have given one polynomial, that is 7x cube minus 5x square y square plus 3xy plus 6y plus 8. We are considering each and every variable's power. Power of x is 3, and here two variables are given, x square y square. We have to add the powers, then only we can consider the degree of the polynomial. Here 2 plus 2 is 4, and in this term the power of x and y are 1 and 1. When we are going to add that 1 plus 1, we will get that 2, and y power 1, the power of y is 1. Then the highest power is here 4 only. The degree of this polynomial, given polynomial in two variables is 4. Now we will consider that polynomials of various degrees. Means here we are having the types of polynomials depend on the degree, and also we are having the types of polynomials depending on its terms. Now we are considering the various degrees of the polynomial. First one is linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? Polynomial whose degree is 1. Here for an example, x plus y is given. This is a two variable polynomial, x power 1 and y power 1, means the degree is 1 only. Then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. And second one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means what? The degree of the polynomial is 2. Here the example is also given, x square plus 5x minus 1 by 2 the highest power of the variable is 2 here, then that is called quadratic polynomial. And third one is cubic polynomial. The degree of that polynomial is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Here that example is given 4x square y plus 5x square y square, sorry, xy square plus 3. Here the highest degree, how we can consider that x power is 2 and y power 1. We have to add the 2 powers, then the degree polynomial is 3 we can consider, then this one consider as cubic polynomial. And in fourth one we can biquadratic polynomial. Here you can understand that the degree of polynomial must be 4, then we can consider that polynomial is as biquadratic polynomial. Here that example is also given, 4x square y square plus 3x square xy square minus 6. Then that power degree of the polynomial is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Highest power should be is 4 here. That's why this is we can consider as biquadratic polynomial. Now here we will I have already explained about the terms of the polynomial, how we can consider the terms in a given polynomial. The plus and minus signs only separate the terms here. Multiplication and division will not separate the terms in the given polynomial. Here 2x square is that one term and 5x is another term and last 5 is third term. Here 3 terms are there, and depending on these terms also we are having the types of polynomials. I am going to explain the types of polynomials here. First one is monomial. Monomial means what? Only one term in a polynomial which is having only one term, those are called monomials. And binomial. What is binomial? 2 terms polynomial is called binomial. In a polynomial which is having only 2 terms are called binomial. And trinomial. Trinomial in 3 terms polynomial is called a trinomial. Here I have given one wrong one, means 4 terms I have given. Cut this one, cut that 5x. 3 terms polynomial is trinomial. And next term is given, next definition I want to explain that is constant polynomial. In that name only you can identify that constant polynomial means a polynomial which is having only constant is called the constant polynomial. And always the degree of the constant polynomial should be 0. Why? Because we are considering one example that 5 we are considering, 5 is one and only constant. That one we can consider as constant polynomial. Here 5 we can write 5 into 1 and 1 again we can write in a power of any variable as 0. Means 5 into x to the power of 0 we can write anything to the power of 0 is 1. Here we can, that's why we can consider the degree of the polynomial, constant polynomial is 0. And next one is zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? That any polynomial is having only 0. Only 0 in that polynomial is having, that is zero polynomial. And that the power of that degree of the zero polynomial, how we can consider? We can't to define, because 0 to the power of 0. Because 0 to the power of 0 is undefined in the same way. That's why the zero polynomial, degree of the zero polynomial, that is undefined. And what is zeros of polynomial? Zeros of polynomial is we are considering any polynomial and which the value will be satisfied that given polynomial, that value is called the zeros of the polynomial. Means satisfying means that should become the 0. We are considering that 3x minus 6. Here which value we have to put to get the 0, that whole value become 0. Well, suppose we are taking x is 2. The value of x is 2. 3x means 3 into x, that is 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6. Minus 6, both will cancel. We are getting 0. Then 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. I hope you understood all the definitions and the definition of the polynomial also. Go through these all. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group.